Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be making puff. See you after my intro. In today's video I'm going to be making use of eggs and starting with this yeast. This I'm going to dissolve it with warm water. Warm water and dissolve it very well. Side and 2 eggs. I'm making use of 2 eggs. Flour, sugar, mix very well. Now I'm going to stir the egg before adding it. Create a hole in the middle and pour in the mix together. Now add the yeast and warm water. You have to make use of warm water, not cold water. Warm water, you know, I'm preparing puff. Mix them very well. Make sure it's mixed well. After mixing, you have to cover it, leave it for 40 to 45 minutes. Then after then you open, then you will stir to mix very well. Mix before you fry. Before doing this, I've already put my oil on the fire and then apply some oil on the pan before you start frying. Brown, you can then remove it. I'm done. As you can see, this is my puff. It looks so yummy, ready to eat. You can try this. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.